Recipe creation is one of the core features in MyNetDiary. You can create a recipe from a blank state, convert from a meal, import from the web or another app, or copy from the recipe database. This video is about creating a recipe from a blank slate. You can start from the food search screen, or in the Me section, using the Manage My Foods screen. Either way, you'll be prompted to enter the recipe name and ingredients. Ingredients can be searched the same way as you log food, or added from the Staple Foods catalog. You can even use another recipe as an ingredient, which is helpful when you use homemade sauces or creams in your main recipe. The calories will be automatically calculated from the ingredients. Note that the system will automatically calculate recipe weight as the total weight of ingredients. For maximum accuracy, weigh the prepared recipe. The default amount of total servings is 1. If the recipe is meant for several servings, adjust the number of servings. Please note that single serving weight is calculated based on the total weight and the number of servings. Use the alternative serving field to add more serving options to your recipe. If your recipe is a liquid or can be poured, measure the recipe's total volume and enter it. Later on, this will make measuring and logging portions easier. Enter cooking directions and tap Save. Your recipe is ready to be logged. You can now find it while searching foods or under recipes. In case you've made a mistake or just wish to edit the recipe before you use it, then go to Manage My Foods, Recipes, tap on the recipe, and choose Edit Recipe. Swipe an ingredient if you want to remove it. In case you are changing a recipe that you logged before, tap Copy and Customize, and then edit it accordingly.